In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the border around a text box in Microsoft Word. Now, there might be times when you're working on a document and you want to give it a cleaner, more professional look. Removing the text box outline is a great way to do this, and it only takes a few simple steps. First, let's start by clicking on the text box. When you do this, you'll notice a selection of small handles that appear around the edges of the text box. This indicates that the text box is selected and ready for any formatting changes you want to apply. At this point, look towards the top of your screen for the ribbon, a collection of tabs and tools designed to help you format your document. Once you have your text box selected, the ribbon will automatically switch to the Shape Format tab. It could also appear as Text Box Tools and then Format, depending on which version of Word you're working with. This tab is specifically designed for making changes to the appearance of shapes and text boxes. Now that you're in the Shape Format tab, direct your attention to the section labeled Shape Styles. This is where you can customize everything about the appearance of your text box, from its color to the style of the border. In the Shape Styles group, you'll notice a drop-down arrow located right next to Shape Outline. Click on that arrow to open up a menu of different outline options. Here's where things get interesting. Within the Shape Outline menu, you'll see a variety of choices, from line thickness to color options. However, our goal today is to remove the border entirely for that clean and seamless finish. Therefore, you'll want to go ahead and click on No Outline. Selecting this option will immediately remove the visible border from your text box, allowing your text to blend seamlessly into the background of your document. And there you have it. By following just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the outline from your text box. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your document, but also streamlines the content, focusing attention on the text itself rather than the borders around it. It's a handy trick that can be applied to various design tasks, whether you're prepping a professional report or adding subtle touches to a creative project. With this newfound skill, you're now equipped to elevate the look of any Word document you work on. Remember, small changes like these can make a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your work. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your documents.